Good morning, you guys. It's early. It's beautiful. The sun is shining. It's hot outside. It's wonderful. So today I thought that I would give you just a little garden tour of what's growing well, what we've gotten so far, the little bit that we've gotten, and just kind of show you a few things so that you can see. So I hope you enjoy. Here we go. Look at little tomatoes already. If I can reach out, look at that. Sweet. Here's the leaf green stalk. We've got some more strawberry flowers on there. The lettuce is getting pretty tall. I think it's probably going to be about to bolt by now. Here's a little bit more lettuce and cilantro in there. And then this is basil. Look at that. Look at all that basil in there. It's starting to get up. It's starting to grow up a little bit. Here are the cucamelons. And here you can kind of see right there. Look at those little melons in the flowers. They're looking great. And like here you can kind of see a little bit better. There's a little melon. There it is. There's a little tiny melon. So really excited about those. The peas have kind of exploded. I'm just wondering when they're gonna produce anything or if it's starting to get too hot. We can see some of the flowers. But they're starting to kind of trellis over. I've been using tacks. I've been tacking them into the wood and then just letting their little tentacles grab onto them so that they can kind of try to trellis over. And then here are the peppers that I topped. Look at these guys.
You're all right up there.
Look at, they're starting to get buds on them. So down there, they're starting to get a couple buds. But yeah, they're doing really well. And then I just kind of showed you this green stalk of everything that's in it, of the beans and the cucumbers and everything down below. So there they are. And then there's some of the radishes down there. They're starting to thicken up a little bit. I thinned them a smidge. I thinned some of them a smidge. And then down here at the bottom, there's the beets. I haven't really touched the beets. I haven't thinned them or anything. But they're kind of the same size. They're kind of stunted. I'm not quite sure. I might just end up pulling them out. I might just let them go all season, see what they do. Okay, so here are the ground cherries. They're doing really well. You can see all those balls. Those are the ground cherries. So I've got two here. We've actually tasted them and they actually tasted like pineapple. It was awesome. This is our other bucket of strawberries. And we've got some more flowers on there. We've got some more that are turning into berries right here. So hopefully we'll have a little bit more of a harvest on them. So over here, I've got the tomatoes that I planted in the ground. Some of them are kind of getting a little bit bigger, doing good. And this huge thing is our grapevine. I'm going to bring you in here so that we can see. Look, there's tons of them all over. I am so excited to see how these turn out. Look, right there, our first bean seed, right there, popping out of the ground. Or I guess this is our first pull. The mounds. And look, we already have a flower right there. Look at that. Yay! Our first watermelon flower. The row of melons that we planted on the side. There's a pepper, and here is this pepper plant. Look, it's got flowers on it. It's got flowers on it, and look, there is a little pepper. Already one pepper, and then there's another one right there. Oh, look at the back of the plant, those two, these are more peppers. Look at that. 2 more peppers. Wow, we're super excited. Pretty roses on our rose bush. That's in one of the beds. So I have this, and I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a potato. And I had a bunch, actually I shouldn't say a bunch, I had a few potatoes that had eyes on it left, and the kids were playing with them, and I'm wondering if they came and they planted, because there's another one right here. I'm wondering if they came and decided they were going to plant some potatoes. But anyway, and then here, if you can see these little guys, yeah, this cilantro. And this, you can't really see it very, like you can see the strands of it. I wish you could smell it. There's 3 lavender bushes right here, and they're huge. There's this one, and then these 2. But they, even now that they're not purple yet, oh, they smell amazing. I'm excited about this. I'll show you guys how I harvest some of this.
Hi, guys.
So that's the garden right now. It is going to explode here in a couple months, and that makes me really excited. We're gonna have a really good pepper and tomato harvest, I think. So I hope you guys stay tuned for that, and probably the next couple videos I'll maybe do a tomato harvest, or potato, not tomato, because that first pot of potatoes needs to be gone through, and we'll see how it did. We'll see how the container did. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to us. And as always, I hope you have a great day, no matter where you are.